Do you ever have it where you don't know where you clicked, but for some reason now, whenever you click on the video or audio, they don't move connected to each other anymore? Man, it's actually super easy to fix. There's two very common things that usually happen that cause this, and I'm going to jump right to it without any of that fluff. We're going to waste a bunch of time. I'm going to get out of the way so you never miss anything, but while I do that, why don't you go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe up to the video. Now, the very first thing you do, if they're not moving together, go ahead and drag and highlight both of them. Right click on either one, the audio or video track, and right down at the bottom, you see right here, it says link clips. Now they should go ahead and move together. But sometimes, even if you have that, wait a second, why are they still not moving together? Maybe I need to highlight and go link clip. Wait, they are linked. Well, what could be the problem then? Well, sometimes, and this has happened to me, you accidentally click somewhere you didn't mean to when you uncheck something. Right up here, just above your timeline, there's two chains right here that are connected, linked selections. So you go ahead and click that. So now it's white and it's highlighted. Now anything that's linked will now move together and it's actually linked. When you uncheck those links right there, it causes things that are linked to not actually link together. So it is simply that easy. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching.